First of all, I would like to thank authority of Rahat English Care to giving me a great opportunity to express my words. And today is a very special day for us because today is our farewell day of 6th batch. It's a special moment, and at the same time, it's a sad day for us because it's our last day in Rahat English Care, and we have passed a lot of time with Rahat English Care, and it was an amazing journey with Rahat English Care. I want to introduce myself briefly. This is Mohammad Mahdi Hassan Alif, and originally from Ashwaduri in Faridpur. Now I'm live at Mirpur in Dhaka for my study purpose, and recently I have completed my English journey with Rahat English Care, and I'm very glad to that I'm a student of Rahat English Care because before coming here I was not good at English, and basic was so weak in English. After coming here, just I realized that I have improved my English in Rahat English Care. Now I would like to say something about our teachers, and there are a lot of teachers in Rahat English Care. Our honorable teacher, Mr. Rahat sir, most of the time he just helped us to gain a lot of knowledge, and ultimately we are benefited. Okay, I want to say something about my other teachers. Our lovely Arif sir, he's not attend here, but Arif sir is very talented person, and most of the time he just try to get something new for us. And our lovely Saddam sir, he also help us to get us something new. Yeah, they are all of authority and all of teachers just very helpful and very friendly. Most of the time just we get a lot of opportunity from them. I was very weak in English. This time just I found a lot of course, different type of social media, but it was very difficult to find out a good institute to learn English. Ultimately, I got Rahat English Care. After coming here, I just realized that this is a great institute to learn English. And Rahat English Care, there are a beautiful language club, and the language club is open for all time without Friday. And our honorable Shuak sir, he just tried to do something well for us, and he just tried to make some debate club to improve our English proficiency. So it's a very good, it's a very helpful for us, I think that. And I also think that Rahat English Care, maybe it will be more development in the future if they will make some free seminar or free class 1 day per month, and it will be more beneficial for all of the students. Okay, I have some important advice all of my comrades, and we just came here to learning English. Am I right? Yes. English is a journey. It's not a language. It's a communication skill. If we want to learn English, first of all, we have to find out why we want to learn English, and we have to set a goal to learn English, and then we have to realize it. This purpose just I'm learning English. First of all, I want to say that I can see there are a lot of students. They just come here with different type of dream, and some students just would like to go abroad for the study purpose, and some students just would like to get a good job by using English. And it's possible. There is nothing impossible in the world. If you want, and if you utilize your time, if you utilize your proper time, so you can easily do it. Because we are a human being, and everything is possible for a human being. Okay, so I think that English is a very important language, and if you want to be a good speaker, or if you want to get a good score in English, so you have to keep touch, and you have to keep in touch with the sector. Please, if you want to learn English, please try to keep in touch with the sector until before get your achievement. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone to listening me very carefully, and please, if you find out any mistake, please forgive me because I am a beginner and I'm learning English. And thank you, authority of Rahat English Care, and to be more specifically, thank you Rahat sir.